Have you ever found yourself with some leftover YouTrip credits and wondered, can I actually get that money back into my bank account? It's a common question, and today, we're diving deep to answer it. YouTrip, a popular travel card, offers a convenient way to spend money overseas. But what happens when you've got a balance left? Can you simply transfer it back to your regular bank account? The short answer, yes, you can. YouTrip allows you to transfer your remaining balance back to your linked bank account. It's a straightforward process that can be completed within the app. Step-by-step guide. Open the YouTrip app. Launch the YouTrip app on your smartphone. Navigate to your balance. Look for the balance section within the app. This will display your current balance. Initiate the transfer. You'll typically find a transfer balance or similar option. Tap on it. Select your bank account. Choose the bank account where you want the funds to be transferred. Ensure it's linked to your YouTrip account. Enter the transfer amount. Specify the amount you wish to transfer. You can usually transfer the entire balance or a portion of it. Confirm the transfer. Double-check the details, including the bank account and transfer amount. Once verified, confirm the transfer. Important considerations. Transfer fees. While YouTrip often offers free transfers, it's crucial to check for any potential fees. These can vary depending on your specific plan and the currency involved. Processing time. Transfers typically take a few business days to complete. Be patient and allow sufficient time for the funds to reflect in your bank account. Currency conversion. If your YouTrip balance is in a foreign currency, it will be converted to your local currency before being transferred. Be aware of the exchange rates applied during this process. Minimum balance. Some banks may have minimum transfer amounts. Ensure your remaining balance exceeds this threshold to initiate a transfer. Tips for maximizing your YouTrip balance. Plan your spending. Before your trip, estimate your expenses to avoid unnecessary funds on the card. Check for unused funds. After your trip, review your balance to identify any unused funds. Time your transfer. Consider the processing time and any bank holidays to ensure timely transfer. Stay updated. Keep an eye on any changes in YouTrip's terms and conditions regarding transfers. Transferring your YouTrip balance back to your bank account is a convenient way to manage your finances. By following the steps outlined above, you can easily initiate the transfer and access your funds. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.